Juana nano pay my chance ewa attention TV adofone ahwefo nyina mo bibia good morning eba attention TV eba na attention TV there yes we inspire you more enti ahobrase ne ni di ma mesrewa we pie me so de en ne de di kan we pie me so subscribe na like ye programs ni ma se ne be ya adwuma no ebe koso kama
me I be victim of gas explosion. You dey see am so. You dey see my tie. I try to for those people they use gas, I beg. Gas they get expiring dates. I'm not sure say you don't get anything when you get expiring dates. Gas they get expiring dates. And those people tell me say, I want to know. Say this gas get expiring dates. I want to check them. I want to do this one. For the easiest way to know, as they go fill your gas for gas plants. The people where they there tell them make they check am for you. Say I beg, make they check am for you whether this cylinder don't they expire. They go check am for you. You go know. They go tell you. They get am like the way they write this expiring date stuff for gas na ABC. They say they write am. So you two go ask them, make they check am for you. You get the one where the A stand for so year and so month when it go expire. So you go ask them, they go tell you, I beg, no they use something until be say the thing you don't spoil, you don't scatter. No, most times when gas don't expire, it cause gas explosion. But they tell you things where you need to look out for.
That's surgery.